In the heart of India lies an institution made of more than just bricks and mortar. It is built of ideas, aspirations, and a legacy of excellence. For 20 incredible cohorts, the one-year full-time MBA-PGPX has provided leaders with the capacity to adapt, innovate, and lead our ever-changing world.
2 decades ago, IIMA pioneered the PGPX, a radical one-year program designed to transform experienced professionals into high-impact global leaders. Our exceptional global rankings demonstrate our unparalleled record of career acceleration and robust peer network.
Created for high-performing professionals, the one-year full-time residential PGPX program is not solely an academic sprint, it is a transformation.
The PGPX program has transformed my worldview of leadership from being a manager to a true leader.
The diversity in every cohort, nationalities, aspirations gives the program a vibrancy of intellect that cannot be replicated elsewhere.
It's the thrill of walking into the class as an instructor to discuss product strategy with a fighter pilot, an advertiser, an investment banker, and a music producer sitting in the same class. And my job as a first-term instructor is to mostly be an agent provocateur, just exposing them to the chaos and commotion of a decision-making context.
Tethered to excellence, yet globally minded, PGPX harmonizes the world perspective with Indian values.
The PGPX provides tremendous opportunities for classroom learning through compulsory and elective courses. An expansive portfolio of elective courses is offered to the PGPX students, alongside opportunity to have peer learning from future-ready industry leaders.
Rooted in the globally respected case study method, the PGPX transforms the classroom into a boardroom. When we discuss select CXO interactions, building actual capabilities through real-time industry interactions, it is the learning curve the PGPX program provides as an experience.
I was looking for a transformative experience and PGPX was the perfect choice for it. The program's world-class faculty and the rigorous curriculum gave me the expertise, vision and confidence to become a holistic leader for the next generation.
Here, every discussion mirrors the intensity of high-stakes decision-making. This rigorous, competitive environment ensures that the decisions you master today will empower the impactful leader you become tomorrow.
The PGPX program, designed for experienced professionals, blends rigorous academics with practical relevance, offering a curriculum that spans strategy, leadership, analytics, and global immersion.
With faculty ranked among the best in the world and cases drawn from Harvard and beyond, you don't just learn business, you experience it.
The batches that come for this program come with a variety of experiences, and these experiences are what they tell each other, so that people who go out from this program are much more ready for the corporate world than they would have otherwise been.
Whether we are digitally transforming in PGPX or learning strategic innovation, we're connected to the pulse of what's contemporary business.
You are taught to analyze problem differently. You are not asking, what do I do? You are asking what needs to be done, and that is what is IIMA.
At IIMA, the classroom is merely the prelude. The real learning for IIMA's PGPX begins when the session ends. This isn't just an education, it's a 24/7 immersion. The most critical insights are forged after midnight in relentless brainstorming and real-life campus situations that demand decisive, high-impact leadership.
PGPX is enhancing my leadership by encouraging peer learning, diverse perspectives, helping me induce strategic thinking, and helping me lead teams with greater impact.
IIM Ahmedabad doesn't simulate pressure, it builds muscle memory to manage it, with decisions, conflict and strategy all in real time.
In PGPX, we train students for senior management, as a result of which we challenge their assumption in classrooms and also provide them contemporary learning. related to business.
So what sometimes feels like chaos is really the choreography of curiosity.
PGPX has been a great signaling mechanism. It is adding to the productivity of those young participants who use PGPX program as a springboard to contribute to the society at large.
At IIMA, we forge leaders who succeed together. The PGPX doesn't just deliver a degree, it builds an unrivaled cohort, transforming classroom peers into a lifetime bond of friendship, shared rigor, and mutual ambition.
As a study group, we support each other. At the same time, we're also very competitive.
Because from day one, we push each other to think like CXOs.
At IIM Ahmedabad, we strive to ensure that we have an ecosystem to foster camaraderie, to engage with students from other programs, and also take away a lot of memories that you can cherish for a lifetime.
The International Immersion Program, IIP, is not a trip. It's a radical 2-week global reset. PGPX students are immersed at top foreign universities to master the host country's macroeconomic environment, accelerating their understanding of global business dynamics and developing solutions to complex worldwide challenges.
So I had the leadership and decision-making skills from Indian Navy. PGPX at IIM Ahmedabad is giving me the strategy, finance, and global perspective that is required for me to make a corporate impact.
Sometimes, transformation begins in silence. In the pause before an action you take, in the pause what you did, and in a moment of transformation you dare to become. Because being relevant is not an option anymore. It's the responsibility of a leader.
When you have been at the helm of leadership, you have stumbled upon failure and you have seen success. You don't want just another classroom. You want something extraordinary. And that is PGPX for me.
In a world where we must re-navigate uncertainty, the PGPX objectives are changed to meet the moment, whether that is digital, ecological, or global.
This program is designed for people to make a leap from their current status to where they can actually take positions of responsibility, which will help them to make a difference and impact in whichever place of work they choose to do.
The future does not come with an instruction manual. This is where you learn to write an instruction manual. Over the course of one transformative year, every PGPX participant undergoes a delta cash, a shift in knowledge, attitude, skills, and habit. It's not just a change. It's a redefinition of how you think, lead, and solve problems. We come searching for knowledge, but we leave with wisdom.
The Indian Navy has instilled in me values of discipline, resilience, and leadership. PGPX course from IIM Ahmedabad has helped me translate those strengths into strategic business-oriented skills useful for any corporate success. Every hour is full of learning here.
But it isn't all boardrooms, balance sheets, and SOPs. It's about getting back the thrill of learning and living. The PGPX legacy is defined by graduates whose success bears the unique hallmark of ambition, unwavering ethics, and profound resilience.
I came here with experience but left with purpose. 1 year at PGPX did not just change my resume, it inspired me to take the entrepreneurship route.
The hallways here speak to that legacy. Each batch reenacts the timeless story and legacy of leadership of IIM Ahmedabad.
This is not just an academic program, it is a deep, focused year of being more intentional with who you are as a leader.
The campus, a blend of history and progress, holds stories of pioneers who left their comfort zone to construct the future.
There in the quiet places between our classes, we hear something loud, our future calling forth.
This 20th batch marks more than a milestone. It is a commemoration of our legacy. And when you graduate, you don't merely receive a degree, you acquire a legacy.
They told us, don't go for the titles. Think about why you came to PGPX. That's what I'm leaving with.
In this world of management education, behind every participant, there's a family that believes in them.
How do I balance family and studies? It's genuinely hard. But what I do know is when I walk into a case discussion, genuine role modeling is happening at home.
It takes personal and family sacrifice for IIMA to be attainable. This is matched by exponential growth.
When I joined the PGPX program, I was fortunate enough to have my supportive family by my side.
IIMA gives you a family beyond your education. A family only one message away, no matter what part of the globe you find yourself on.
PGPX has expanded my leadership, collaboration and decision-making skills while building a strong professional network.
At PGPX, individual brilliance converges into a shared force. Diverse in thought, but unwavering in drive, the cohort here becomes its own, destined to define the next generation of global leadership.
The diversity of the cohort is such that it forces the student to think about a problem from multiple perspectives and come up with a solution that is more pragmatic and feasible in every sense of the word.
Through personalized career support and mentoring, we do not create opportunity, we engineer them. For 2 decades, IIMA has established a definitive blueprint for global leadership. Our conviction is clear. Great institutions don't just build careers, they forge character.
PGPX pushed me beyond my comfort zone and exposed me through different perspectives, and it changed the way how I lead teams.
And the 20th batch who walks these halls built out of red bricks walks carrying with them the dreams of many and the legacy of more.
There are degrees that fill your resume, and there is a degree that transforms your identity. This was that for me.
From classrooms to boardrooms, from India to the world, this is the PGPX Impact.
PGPX has enhanced my professional journey and enabled personal growth.
My experience has been transformational, ecstatic, enriching and demanding at the same time.
20 batches, thousands of stories, one shifting purpose, impacting the future, one leader at a time.
If you are willing to unlearn, relearn, hang your professional attire and adopt studentship once again, you are ready to interact with IIM Ahmedabad.
The PGPX journey does not stop here. It begins again each time you make a decision that impacts the world. PGPX was never just about academic excellence. That's a given. What sets it apart is the X factor, a spark that emerges when CEOs sit beside change makers, technologists beside poets.
PGPX is not an ordinary program. It's a journey of transformation. Come and experience this program at IIM Ahmedabad and see your own transformation as an individual and as a professional.
Across continents and industries, our alumni prove that brilliance takes many forms. And at IIMA, it's this diversity that drives true impact.
We are now embarking on a new horizon. The PGPX is the inaugural program at IIMA's new international campus in Dubai. We are evolving the PGPX to integrate cutting-edge knowledge in digital strategy and sustainable business, equipping you to engineer the future. If you are prepared for a significant career transformation, this platform is your gateway.
So come not just to learn, but to evolve, because PGPX isn't a program, it's
experience,
Exuberance,
exponential,
extraordinary,
explore,
X factor,
excel.
It's a transformation, because excellence alone is never enough. The world waits for your next step. Make it count. PGPX, 1 year, a lifetime of impact.